so that's difficult as well. Oh boy. Oh, hello there. Hi. It's me, Max, and yeah, well, welcome back to 0 to Hero. I don't know what the camera is doing. In any case, welcome back. We're on woods today, and I'm not 100% sure where we are. Therefore, we're gonna use the compass for that. So I believe there's minefields. I'm not 100% sure, but let's go this direction for now. Let's see if we can survive it or not. I also accidentally shot. Maybe, yeah, we only have 30 minutes, but that should be more than enough time in theory. I mean, this is where the VX is, so I guess we're going that direction. And I have absolutely no idea where I am. Maybe we're somewhere close to the oh, I think I know where I am. We're close to the convoy. There should be the convoy, I believe. So in theory, I need to make the game louder for myself. There should be the scav camp. That means there's the convoy. But we don't have the convoy mission yet, I think. Or do we have the search mission? I don't think we do. Let's see. No, we have Jaeger. Jaegers, and obviously we have still the MP123. Alright, we need to find Jaeger's stupid letter. His letter of recommendation. Oh. We're not wearing headphones, so that's difficult as well. Oh boy. And I do not have enough space. Yeah, great. Cool. Fuck. Oh boy. That would have been one hell of a find. But let's see what we can find otherwise. Some milk. Some med tools, some milk. Let's see. This should be also good for Salevas, as we still need that for the quest. For the first quest of what is her name? The rapist. Therapist. My bad. It's not the rapist, it's therapist, so please YouTube, don't ban me. We do not have enough space. Does this fit? No. This is bigger than our sling though. I'll swap it. I can take it, okay, good. Good stuff. Also, we don't have super many scavs this time. We probably will... Well, I hope we won't encounter many. I'm also not sure if the boss is here, but I doubt it. AKA Sturmy. Sturman. Oh, that's a good visor. Scope. Okay, we've been there, we've been here. We've been there. Is there anything else here? It's been a while since I went on. What is this? The reflex? Really? God damn. It's been a while since I've been on woods. But speaking of woods and going with your friends, there is a super cool mod for SPT called MPT. And I hear shots in the distance. That's not a good sign. And explosions. Oh boy. Anyway, check out my Discord, link in the description. There's more information about that ominous multiplayer mod for SPT. So yeah, I really hope I'm gonna see you on the Discord. Would appreciate you joining. Okay, why is it open? Oh, we do need that. I think that's a quest item. Maybe it isn't, I'm not sure anymore. I also don't have... oh boy, that is one heck of a find. That's the second good find in this round, literally. Like... just throw this out. Oh boy, we're so heavy. I don't wanna take it. Let's just take these. We should be good. Another night vision scope. Holy moly. Alright, well, what I wanted to say about the multiplayer mod is basically it's really smooth and it's a lot of fun. And it has no cheaters, unlike the live game. That's why I'm not playing live, but this version. And I hope you enjoy it too. I mean, I do, that's for sure. And also, for anyone still watching, thank you for watching the first episode. Really appreciate it. Okay, we need to go this direction. So I am going to run there. So I was on my way to the plane crash site where we find the leather, and I found maybe I should look for the sniper scav. I should definitely do that. Let's go. Also, we have some nice weapon positions, I guess. And then therefore, if I go into this one, we also have the Call of Duty sprint animation kind of thing. Okay, I'm gonna go snipe the stupid sniper scav. Let's see if we can even see him from here. How can I get up there? Okay, that looks good. Can we see him from here? He's still walking. And he is dead. Cool. Ooh, that's a bit... That's very close. Okay, we need to adjust that. God damn it, you scav. Thank God he didn't hit us. Let's take his belongings. Never mind, we don't have space. I suppose I could eat the herring. About half of a magazine. That's good. Yeah, that's better. Oh, and as I look on my compass, what do you guys think about it? Should I deactivate it or should I use the compass as is, but deactivate the X fields, or deactivate the quest markers? I mean, there's quite a few maps actually that I am not 100% confident with. For example, Interchange or Woods. I mean, Woods I do know, but like easier to navigate with a compass, I guess. As well as Shoreline. Never really sure where to go, and especially in the resort. Yeah. Let me know in the comments. Would really appreciate that. And speaking of comments, go check out Starbucks, because he kind of inspired me to make this series, and I don't know, maybe start a YouTube career again. Like, tried to do that, I guess, many years ago. Okay, we don't need that. We need sugar. So, yeah. Give him a follow. I'll link him in the description, as I'm using his music anyway. But yeah, I really hope you enjoy these. Wait, what is this? Jaeger's message and then Jaeger's camp. Super. Why is there 2 markers? UN roadblock, factory gate, roof gate. Okay, let's hope we have UN roadblock. We do. Alright. Northern UN. We do have that too? Yeah, we do. Alright, let's head to Northern UN. That sounds good. Oh, and speaking of episodes, I'm trying to keep these around the 15-minute mark. So, preferably as short as possible. Meaning more editing, but I will keep anything in that is important. So, yeah. But also, as I said in the first episode, I will cut out stuff where I'm just running from one place to the other. Pretty much, like this kind of stuff. I'm going to definitely cut out. I mean, now I'm talking, but if I wouldn't have talked, I guess, or if I wouldn't have counted any enemies, I would have cut it out, or at least sped up. I'll put some music under it. Alright, that was the first raid. I would say that was pretty successful. Alright. Seems like there was an issue with loading myself out of the raid, but I quit the game and reloaded it. Seems we still have all the stuff that we looted. So yeah, that is good. I just didn't see the stats for it, but I guess that's fine too. Oh yeah, right. We need to submit the mechanic. Also, I have installed a mod that alters the pictures. I quite like it, actually. So let's complete the quest. Now we have Jaeger. We can do this stupid canned stuff. Shit. Okay, we need 2 bottles of vodka. 2 jets of 0x bleach. Krasavich. Krasavchik. Soon kit and fleece fabric. Possible at some point. That guy has quite crazy quest conditions, but it's pretty cool. And speaking of him, he actually adds a new clothing, and it's the D.R.I.P, Definite Retexture Immersion Project or something like that. How about we buy this shirt and put it on? Fancy. Alright, well, we have fancy clothes now in the game. I really like that. Block Wig, that's a cool quest. Anyway, I would say one map was enough. I'm happy with what I achieved now. We got 1 quest done. I think next time... Oh wait, we can still do the MP133 shotguns. That should be possible from Jaeger. If my memory serves me right, we can purchase this. Yes, we should have enough for 2. Yeah, we're almost out of money then, but that doesn't matter. Then we at least don't need to search them. Alright, 3 more scavs, and obviously the Salevas, and well, now the stupid Iskras and dry croutons and cans of beef stew. But I think next time we will go to customs, and I really hope you enjoyed this episode. I'm sure I did. So well, anyway, see you next time.